Hello friends, in last video we have seen how to add the dependency into our Spring Boot projects. So in last video we learned how to add the Spring Boot dependency in pom.xml file, and we have added a Spring Boot starter web which we copied from a Maven repository URL. Just we search Maven repository and we copy this URL dependency and into our pom.xml file. So in this video we have to learn how to create the controller class for Spring Boot projects. So for creating any controller or REST API we need a Spring Boot starter web dependency which we already added into our pom.xml file. So every time you need to add the Spring Boot starter web because we are creating the RESTful API, REST services. So for creating a controller, just click on our project, right click on a new, click on a class and give class name as a my controller. I'm giving my controller, you can give any name. Also I'm giving a package is a separate, or you can take this also. Just click on finish. So here you can see here is one my controller class is created. So for defining this class is a controller, you need to give annotations. That is the controller. So now this class defined as a controller because this is annotations. You need to add this annotation every time. And in that we write some methods, so we confirm our controller is working or not. Just I'm writing one methods and returning my name as a Gautam. For testing purpose we are checking. Now we are creating the controller and we are returning this name. So for that we need to give some URL or mapping annotation, just like a get mapping, post mapping, or we can give the request mapping also. So here you can see the request mapping annotations. In that just I'm passing the name. So when you search on browser name, that will return the name. So just check this is working or not. Just click on a Spring Boot, click on a run as, and click on a Spring Boot app. So here you can see Spring Boot started on ports 8080. So just go on our browsers and type here port number local host colon 8080 and enter. So this is giving a fightable error page because this is not finding the page. So why this? Because we need a REST controller here, because REST controllers is combination of a controller and response body. Just I am giving the REST controller. You can see the changes, and now control save and relaunch the project. Now you can see Tomcat has started. Go to one browser and refresh it. Just again relaunch and type localhost 8080. Just again this giving is a file not found because we are not giving the name. So we need to give the name here, so that will fetch our REST API, because every REST API has some particular value. So you can see output as Gautam. See, this is our first controller we have created. In first we have created the controller, then we need to give the REST controller annotations, and we define the request mapping annotations, and in that we are giving the name as a parameter, so that will return the this string. So that's all about the controller.